Great news for Garmin fans. With the Fenix 8 series, you won't have to choose between style and battery life. Recent leaks reveal that the Fenix 8 series will offer both MIP and AMOLED display options. You can enjoy the classic, energy-efficient MIP display or opt for the vibrant colors and higher contrast of the AMOLED version. The Garmin Fenix 8 series is crafted to keep pace with your active lifestyle. Garmin understands that one display doesn't suit everyone, so they're providing two choices: MIP for efficiency and AMOLED for a vivid display. This flexibility allows you to select a watch that matches your personal style and preferences. Available in three sizes: 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm, the Fenix 8 series ensures a perfect fit for any wrist, whether small or large. Each model is designed to be comfortable and secure, allowing you to focus on tracking your activities and staying connected. Battery life is another standout feature. The 51mm Solar Edition offers up to 48 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, which can be extended further with solar charging. This is ideal for long trips or extended outdoor adventures, eliminating the need for daily recharges. The Fenix 8 series also enhances display quality with slimmer bezels, resulting in a larger, more readable watch face. The AMOLED display option provides an immersive experience with vibrant colors and high contrast, making it easier to read and navigate. For scuba divers, the Fenix 8 includes a dedicated scuba diving feature for tracking and logging underwater activities. It also supports hands-free communication with calling and voice capabilities. The Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor improves tracking accuracy, offering better insights into your health. In summary, the Garmin Fenix 8 series is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts and fitness lovers. With impressive battery life, stunning display options, and innovative features, this watch is designed to support and enhance your active lifestyle. Garmin has truly delivered with this latest release, and we're excited to see what you achieve with it.